Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer or content creator looking to maximize your setup without sacrificing space, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 gaming mini PCs of 2024. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Intel NUC 72 Gaming Mini PC. Meet the Intel NUC 72. This compact beast is equipped with cutting-edge technology that will transform your gaming and content creation experience. At its core, the Intel NUC features the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor. With 12 cores and 20 threads, it can reach up to an impressive 4.70 GHz in frequency. This powerhouse also boasts a substantial 24 megabytes of cache, ensuring that multitasking and heavy applications run smoothly. It's equipped with Intel Arc A770M graphics, featuring 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 video random access memory. This means you get incredible graphics performance for gaming, content creation, and everything in between. Connectivity is key, and the Intel NUC delivers. With 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI output supporting up to 4K at 60 Hz, and dual DisplayPort 1.4 certification, you have a range of options to connect multiple displays or peripherals. Customization is a breeze with support for up to 64 gigabytes of dual-channel DDR4 memory. Need more storage? You've got 3 PCI Express 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive slots, including 2 slots with PCI Express X4 Gen 4 and 1 slot with PCI Express X4 Gen 3. For networking, the Intel NUC includes an Intel 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port and the latest Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6EA X1690i, offering speeds up to 3.0 gigabits per second with support for the 6 GHz band. And let's not forget Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless wireless connections. Number 4. Msecore MV200 Intel Gaming Mini PC. The Msecore MV200 is built around the Intel Core i9 9900T processor. With 8 cores and a base frequency of 3.6 GHz, this processor can boost up to a remarkable 5.0 GHz. It's designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, whether you're diving into a high-end game or tackling complex office work. To complement this powerful processor, the MEV200 comes with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 SuperGraphics card featuring 6 GB of video memory. This setup ensures that you experience stunning visuals and smooth performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on graphic-intensive projects. The Msecore MV200 offers incredible flexibility. It supports dual DDR4 memory slots with a maximum capacity of 64 gigabytes, allowing you to upgrade and expand your system's memory to suit your needs. For storage, you have 1 2280 port for high-speed solid-state drives, and the option to add an additional 2.5-inch SATA 3.0 hard drive. The MEV200 also supports multiple display configurations with its 2 HDMI ports and 2 DisplayPort outputs. You can connect up to 4 monitors simultaneously, making it ideal for multitasking or immersive gaming setup. It comes equipped with 4 USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, an audio input, an LAN port, a DC power input, 2 HDMI ports, and 2 DisplayPort outputs. The Msecore MV200 is designed with convenience in mind. It supports power-on functions, scheduled startups, and network wake-up capabilities. Whether you want your mini PC to start up automatically or be accessible remotely, it has you covered. The built-in all-copper turbofan keeps the system cool and quiet, ensuring stable and reliable performance. Number 3. Powerest MV300 Intel Mini Gaming PC. The Powerest MV300 is equipped with the latest 13th generation Intel Core i9 13900F processor. This beast of a processor has a base frequency of 2.0 GHz and can turbo boost up to a staggering 5.6 GHz. With 24 cores and 32 threads, it handles multiple tasks with ease, ensuring you get top-notch performance for everything from gaming to professional applications. Complementing the powerful processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card with 12 GB of dedicated video memory. This card is built on the new Ada Lovelace architecture and features a third-generation ray tracing core and a fourth-generation tensor core. These advancements deliver up to twice the ray tracing performance and 4 times the performance boost from deep learning supersampling 3.0 compared to traditional rendering. Thanks to the Ada Lovelace architecture, the GeForce RTX 4070 can fully leverage ray tracing to simulate real-world-like characteristics with stunning detail. This means you'll experience more realistic graphics with incredible detail and dynamic lighting effects, whether you're exploring virtual worlds or tackling high-end games. The Powerest MV300 is built to handle large-scale, AAA games effortlessly. With the RTX 4070 graphics card, you'll enjoy high frame rates and ultra-high-definition visuals up to 8K at 60 Hz. This means you're not just playing games, you're immersing yourself in a visually stunning experience. The MV300 also supports simultaneous 8K video output across 4 screens. This makes it perfect for creating a multi-screen work environment or enhancing your entertainment setup. With multiple HDMI and DisplayPort interfaces, setting up a rich and immersive display has never been easier. Number 2. Partaker B21 13th Generation Gaming Mini PC. At the heart of the Partaker B21 is the 13th Generation Intel Core i9-13900F processor. This powerhouse features 24 cores and 32 threads, with a massive 36 MB of cache and a maximum turbo frequency of 5.6 GHz. Paired with Windows 11 Professional, this mini PC is built to deliver exceptional performance across a wide range of tasks. Complementing the processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card with 12 GB of dedicated video memory. This card is designed with the latest ray tracing and artificial intelligence cores, providing incredible visual fidelity and performance. Whether you're diving into high-end games or creating complex graphics, the RTX 4070 has you covered. The Partaker B21 offers substantial storage and memory flexibility. It comes equipped with dual-channel DDR4 memory, supporting up to 64 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and high-speed performance. For storage, it features an M.2 2280p CI Express 4.0 solid-state drive with upgrade options up to 2 TB. Additionally, you can add up to 2 more 2.5-inch solid-state drives or hard drives for even more capacity. Experience ultra-high-definition visuals with the Partaker B21 support for up to 4 displays. With 1 HDMI port and 3 DisplayPort 1.4 ports, all capable of 8K resolution at 60 Hz, you can enjoy crisp and immersive visuals whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. The powerful GeForce RTX 4070 ensures that all your multimedia and gaming experiences are fluid and visually stunning. Connectivity is robust with the Partaker B21. It includes 4 USB 3.2 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, 3 DisplayPorts, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, 1 fiber optic port, and 1 audio input and output. Built-in Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E ensure faster transmission speeds, longer range, and more stable connections. Number 1. ROG NUC AI Ultra 9 Mini PC. At the core of the ROG NUC AI Ultra 9 is the latest 14th Generation Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor. This cutting-edge processor, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 discrete graphics card, delivers exceptional performance and responsiveness. Whether you're gaming, designing, or rendering, this mini PC is built to handle it all. The Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor features a remarkable base frequency, with advanced AI capabilities enhancing your computing experience. Unlock new possibilities with the ROG NUC AI Ultra 9's AI capabilities. The integration of AI rendering technology allows for enhanced performance and innovative uses, making complex tasks and creative projects more efficient and exciting. Designed with a unique 2.5-liter form factor, the ROG NUC AI Ultra 9 features an eye-catching vertical stand with ARGB lighting. With ROG Armory Crate and Aura Sync software, you can customize and synchronize lighting effects to match your gaming rig or workspace. Versatility is key with this mini PC. You can set it up either vertically or horizontally, saving space while enjoying a generous selection of input and output ports. It includes USB ports, HDMI display ports, and more, providing flexibility for various peripherals and devices. The ROG NUC AI Ultra 9 is equipped with 2 large turbofans and a sophisticated heat dissipation system featuring large-diameter heat pipes and all-copper cooling fins. This ensures optimal performance with minimal noise, allowing you to focus on your game or creative work. For network connectivity, the ROG NUC AI Ultra 9 includes a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for reduced latency during gaming and smooth high-definition video playback. And there you have it, the top 5 gaming mini PCs of 2024. Whether you're looking for sheer power, compact design, or budget-friendly options, these mini PCs have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, drop a comment below with your favorite mini PC or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.